Ladies and gentlemen, this is the what, Bobby?
The Cinco de Mayo Margarita Fishbowl.
Exactly. A lot of words in there, homeboy. A lot of words, okay? And as you can notice, I'm now wearing all black, okay? And you can address me as Nice Sky. I look nice, and I am nice, okay? How are you today?
Fantastic. I'm lovely.
Okay? Because some of you all say, you know, Sky, sometimes he's too mean, okay? But now I'm Nice Sky. Like I asked Bobby, how was your day?
Oh, so thoughtful.
Amen. You see that? You see the amen in there? All right. Okay, let's make this drink, guys. This is a fun one, and it's loaded with fruit, so it's very healthy. Yes. Okay.
Super healthy.
Except for the excess tequila. Okay, let's make this drink. Okay, guys, we start off our fishbowl with some orange slices.
Yes, and then we're gonna follow up with some lemon slices. Make sure to keep them cute.
Keep them good, like you could cook. Come behind her with some watermelon. Okay, and we cut ours in pyramid style. Shout out to Egypt and the pyramids.
And we're gonna follow up with some pineapple slices.
Okay, and then we come behind with some lime slices.
And you know what goes really well with some lime? Tequila. It's a party now.
Bobby grew up on tequila, okay? We just keep pouring heavy with that tequila. Get that in there, and then we follow with some
triple stack, our favorite here at
Yes, and then we come behind with the star of the day, this handsome guy. Cocktail artist Margarita mix with your boy's face on it, okay?
Don't forget to shake that and keep it sexy, and then we're gonna top it off with some nice, refreshing orange juice.
Yes.
Vitamin D, since we're already healthy with this drink.
Vitamin C.
Vitamin D.
No C. Whatever letter you choose, whatever vitamin you want, okay? All up to you. And there you have it, the Cinco de Mayo Margarita Fishbowl, okay? Created by Nice Sky and Bobby. What you doing for Cinco de Mayo anyway?
I don't know. I gotta go figure it out yet. Oh.
And Bobby's back with the beautiful nails. Could you all see those? Okay, I picked those out.
Oh, you picked them.
Did you do a design on like each one, like
Yes.
individually?
Sure did.
How long did it take?
I know. That's it.
Did you do it yourself?
No, get out
Okay.
of here. With a little shaky hand, I can't do that.
Do you trust me?
You see me, I could barely chop these fruits for the drink. I'm not trying to.
Do you trust me? Hold on.
No.
Okay, hold on, listen. You're not gonna believe this, but your boy was a nail expert at one point, right? And I'm just saying, I love your nails, but you haven't seen my work.
Oh, okay. Are you gonna drop a little something for us on the gram?
Well, I can't put it on there because we have a cocktail Instagram, so I can't have a bunch of nails in there, okay? People get confused. Why are these nails all over all these drinks? You see what I'm saying? But I can do something for you. Put a little tipsy design. I mean, you'd be surprised.
Have you done Emma's nails before? Are those like the
Yeah.
ones you get to see all the
I've
time?
done Emma nails many times. I stayed painting. I was up till 2 a.m. last night just painting. Nails,
Wow.
toenails is what I do, okay? Everybody have like a side hustle. My side hustle is nails.
So
okay?
if people drink this, will they be able to do nails?
What I try to do really is open this special kind of tipsy bartender thing where we give you a large one of these and I just sit there paint your nails, okay?
Nice.
Okay? It's a new business venture. It's called Tequila Nails. I just thought of that, okay? Because we didn't have a name, but we can roll with that right now. We can even slip cocktail artists in there. Cocktail artist Tequila Nails. I ain't talking to them about it, but we can make it work. All right?
Everyone that walks in gets a drink.
Yeah.
Think
Okay?
for it.
Give it away. Someone else can pay for it though. Anyway, stay tipsy. See y'all later.